In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Apollo.io with GoHighLevel. This seamless connection will help streamline your workflow and enhance customer relationship management by using both platforms' capabilities effectively. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, we need to create an API key on Apollo.io, which will act as a bridge between Apollo and other platforms. To do this, log into your Apollo.io account and head over to the settings. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the Integrations section and look for the API tab. Here, you'll find the option to create a new API key. It's essential that you copy this key because it's needed for the integration and functions as your unique identifier for connecting Apollo.io with other services. Now that we have our API key in hand, let's move on to connecting Apollo with Zapier through Make.com. This is a powerful automation tool that allows you to bridge various apps efficiently. Begin by heading over to Make.com and creating a new scenario. In this scenario, Apollo will serve as the trigger app. When setting up your trigger, you'll notice that Apollo supports several triggers such as New Contact, Contact Updated, and New Account. By selecting one of these, you define the initial action that will prompt a response from GoHighLevel. The next step involves connecting GoHighLevel, sometimes referred to as LED connector within the platform. When setting this up in Make.com, make sure to select GoHighLevel as the subsequent action step after your Apollo trigger. You'll need to connect your GoHighLevel account, and fortunately, this is straightforward within the integration environment. Once connected, the exciting part begins. Selecting what action you want to perform in GoHighLevel. There are numerous actions available like creating a new contact, updating an existing contact, adding an opportunity, assigning a new tag, or even triggering an entire workflow. These actions allow you to tailor the integration to meet your specific business needs, helping you manage your leads and customer data with precision. That's essentially it, folks. You've now set up an integration that maximizes the power of both Apollo.io and GoHighLevel. By following these steps, you're making sure that your platforms work in harmony, providing a cohesive structure to manage your contacts and business opportunities with ease. Remember, integrating these systems effectively can drastically enhance your business processes, save you time, and allow you to focus on what truly matters, nurturing client relationships. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.